Hello, my name is Anthony Cameron, and today we're going to look into ClickFunnels. As you can see, I'm at ClickFunnels right now, and I'm into an opt-in page I just built. As you can see, let's look at how to create a split test. So we click on this and say create a variation of this page. So it said create a duplicate page. So create a duplicate page. It's a little bit slow today. So as you can see, we're creating another page. And when you create a duplicate page, you can move this down so you get each page get 50% of the traffic. Okay, what's the purpose of split testing? The purpose of a split testing is you're looking at what page performed the more, what page bringing the more leads, the more traffic, the more customer. And from that page, you can go around and use the page, see what page bringing the more business. So you delete the page that's not bringing enough traffic and move on. And you keep on split testing till you master it. So let's go into editing this page. And we're going to look at the format of ClickFunnels and all this stuff that involved with ClickFunnels for right now. Just a brief overview of what ClickFunnels is. Okay. So ClickFunnels is divided up into three sections. And this section we call, you see all three sections. Um, so the green is called the section, and the blue is inside the green, which is called the rows or column, and inside the green you have the elements, right? And each one of them have a different function. You can have on a page, you can have multiple sections, multiple rows, and multiple elements. So give an example. Let's take a look at this page. So if I am building this site and I look at this page and I said I want another section in this page, all I have to do, if I could get to it, let's go to this section a little bit and see. So I click on this section and the page is a little bit deep. So what I do is scroll down and move this up a little bit. I'm gonna move this over some and move the bottom. So I'm dropping the bottom down, okay? But I want to drop it up, so I'm gonna move this up some. Okay, let's get out of that and see if I could do this section. If not, I don't know what's going on today, but it's just not working. But okay, so if we come down here and we go to the row, we can build multiple rows. So click on this. If you click on the plus sign, you see one column, two column, four column, three column, five column, six column, and so forth, right? So suppose you want 3 columns. You just click on this, and there you got 3 columns right there, right? And each columns, as you can see, have different elements. So let's look at the elements. So if I click on this element right here, I could put a header, a sub-header, a bullet point, paragraph, image. So let's do an image, for example. So I'll go with an image, click on the image, and you could go here. And from this library that I have, I could put an image in there. So let's take this image, for example, and there, right? Another example is I go back to this row or column, and if I click on that element, right, and I want to put, let's see, let's go down here, a clock, for example, time clock. See what I'm saying? Could put a time clock in there. And if you click on the setting, so everything operates from the setting. So the setting is the most important. Whenever you do something and you click on the setting take you over to these boxes. Whether you're inside the row, the setting, the section, or the column, you always have a setting. So if you go in the settings and you click on theme, it gives you all these themes, for example, right? And you can build from that. If you come back in, come back to settings, you can change this up to 0, and you can put 5 seconds here if you want. And the URL, redirecting URL is where you want to put when this hits 0, when the 5 second hits 0, it says redirect to your URL. This is a website you want to put in writing here for the visitor to go to if they take too long on this page, right? Yeah. So that's the elements, and we can come back out of here and go back to elements again. And like I said, you keep on. We can put bullet points. See all these bullet points you can put in there. And you can also, you click on that, and this is where you can make changes. So if I go here, I can move these around and just hi, how are you doing today? Hi, right? And you can go back in here, right? And you can change, can go back into settings, all right? And you can change the color. You can make this bigger and make it smaller, right? You could change the color if you want to. Change it. You could change the theme. No. So it take you a while to understand it. I'm still still not that up to date with it, but I'm a little better. I'm a lot better than I used to be. So it takes you some time to play around with it. You have to keep on practicing, keep on testing it, and it's anything that you put in there, you can always take out. See what I'm saying? So I don't worry about messing up. It's not big a deal. So if I want to take this out, I could take this back out. I could delete this. All right. So that row is let me see. That row is gone. If I hit it and delete it, it take that row out or that element out. So I have to say okay. All right. Then whatever you when you inside ClickFunnels, when you design anything, you gotta also go back. This is the desktop feature of what you design. So when you design anything, this is just the desktop you're looking at. You gotta go over here and click on mobile, and you gotta do a little bit redesign of the mobile. Um, Down the road, I might get a more detail how we can. I'll show you how we can do mobile. But anytime you do your design, you got to come inside the mobile part and fix that. So I'm just going over the features that ClickFunnels. Here's some other stuff that you have to do and how we set up our integration, your autoresponsor, and that when somebody come on your site, they are automatically logged in. So if they click on this email address, they are also captured in your autoresponsor. So you have to come to settings, come to integration, and then you click on integration, select the integration, and then you choose the autoresponsor. I'm using get response. So when I click on get response, then it said select, and you keep on add to campaign. So I select the integration, then I had list to campaign, then it said select a list. And right now I have a couple of lists. I don't have that much list, so I choose this. If you want to choose this one. But if you have a autoresponsor, you're gonna have your home list. So you choose the different lists you have. And you see it said it's connected. Okay. Then you always have to save everything you do. So make sure when you do that, you come over here and save it. And here you go again about settings. You can go to background. And this where I got the background picture from you looking at right here in the background. So for right now, these are some of the features that you have in ClickFunnels. And later down the road, I'll get into a little more detail about um, building up page and setting up and do a little bit more about ClickFunnels. But for right now, this is just about it. Thank you.